Mia, you won't believe how my date went last night.
Oh my gosh, tell me everything. Was it as amazing as you hoped?
Honestly, it was even better. We met at this cute little spot downtown, and he was already there waiting for me.
Wow, that's a good start. That means he was excited to see you.
Right? And he was so easy to talk to. We barely noticed the time passing. We ended up staying for almost 3 hours just chatting.
That's a great sign. What did you guys talk about?
Everything. Travel, movies, our most embarrassing moments. It felt so natural. And get this, we both love the same obscure indie band.
No way. That's rare. So, did you feel a real connection?
Definitely. He was super attentive and funny, and I didn't feel like I had to try too hard. It was just effortless.
That's amazing, Sophie. So, what's next? Another date?
He already texted me this morning, asking if I'd like to go to a concert this weekend.
Okay, that's it, he's a keeper. You have to say yes.
I know, right? I think I will. I'm actually excited about this one, Mia.
I love this for you. You deserve it. Now, let's find you the perfect outfit for the concert.
Yes. Let's do it.